Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Tour. I'm Alex.
Hi, everyone. We're so happy you joined us today. And I'm Maya.
Today, we are going to practice another useful daily English conversation.
Yes, today's topic is talking to neighbors.
This is very common in everyday life.
You may meet your neighbors in the apartment building, outside your house, in the elevator, or while walking outside.
And the good news is, you only need simple English to have a friendly conversation.
Today, you will learn how to introduce yourself, make small talk, ask for help politely, and have friendly conversations with neighbors.
For today's role play, I will first role play as the neighbor living next door.
And I will role play as the new neighbor who just moved into the building.
Later, we may switch roles so you can hear different ways to speak naturally in English.
So speak with us and practice out loud.
All right, everyone.
Let's begin our neighborhood role play.
First, let's meet a new neighbor.
Oh, I think someone new moved into the building.
Perfect opportunity to start a conversation.
Sometimes I feel nervous talking to new people.
That's completely normal. But simple and friendly English is enough.
You don't need long or difficult sentences.
Exactly. Even saying hello can start a nice conversation.
All right. Now you will role play as the neighbor.
And you will role play as the new person who moved in recently. Now, let's start a friendly conversation. Hello, I'm Alex. I live next door.
Hi, Alex. I'm Maya. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Did you move in recently?
Yes, I moved in last week.
Welcome to the neighborhood.
Thank you so much. Everyone has been very friendly.
That's great to hear.
I'm still learning my way around the area.
Don't worry. You'll get familiar with everything soon.
I hope so.
If you ever need help, feel free to ask.
That's very kind of you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Now, let's have some casual small talk.
How are you liking the area so far?
I really like it. It's quiet and peaceful.
Yes, it's a nice place to live.
The neighborhood also looks very clean.
People here take very good care of the area.
That's nice to see.
Are you living here alone?
No, I live with my sister.
Oh, that's nice.
Are there any good restaurants nearby?
Oh, yes. There's a great cafe around the corner.
Really? What kind of food do they serve?
Mostly sandwiches, pasta, coffee, and desserts.
That sounds wonderful. I love cafes.
You should definitely check it out sometime.
I will. Thanks for the recommendation.
Let's continue with a friendly, everyday conversation.
Do you usually go for walks in the evening?
Yes, especially after work.
I notice many people walking their dogs here.
Haha, yes. This neighborhood loves pets.
That's good to know.
Do you like animals?
Yes, especially dogs.
There's actually a small park nearby where many people take their pets.
Oh, really? I should visit it sometime.
It's very relaxing in the evening.
That sounds perfect.
Sometimes neighbors also meet there and chat together.
That's a nice way to make friends.
Now, let's ask for help politely.
Actually, can I ask you something?
Of course.
Do you know where the nearest grocery store is?
Yes, it's about 5 minutes from here.
Oh, that's close.
Yes, you can walk there easily.
Great. Thank you for your help.
No problem at all.
Also, is there a pharmacy nearby?
Yes, there's one next to the grocery store.
Perfect. That's very helpful.
Anything else you need?
Not right now, but thank you for being so helpful.
You're welcome anytime.
Let's invite a neighbor for a friendly meetup.
By the way, some neighbors meet at the cafe on weekends.
Really? That sounds fun.
Yes, we usually drink coffee and chat for a while.
That sounds very friendly.
You should join us sometime.
I'd love to. Thank you for inviting me.
You're welcome.
What time do you usually meet?
Usually around 5 in the evening on Saturdays.
Perfect. I'll try to come this weekend.
Great. I think everyone would be happy to meet you. Now, let's imagine meeting again in the elevator.
Oh, hi, Alex.
Hi, Maya. How's your day going?
Pretty good. I just came back from work.
You look tired.
Haha, yes. It was a busy day.
I understand. Work can be stressful sometimes.
That's true.
Are you getting comfortable in the neighborhood now?
Yes, definitely. I'm starting to feel at home here.
That's wonderful to hear. That was a simple conversation with a neighbor.
Yes. These are very natural and useful English phrases.
Let's review some key sentences.
I live next door.
Did you move in recently?
How are you liking the area?
Do you know where the grocery store is?
You should join us sometime.
Feel free to ask if you need help.
Simple and friendly English. Let's have a friendly chat before we finish. Alex, do you know your neighbors well?
A few of them. Yes, they're very kind.
That's nice. Good neighbors make life easier.
Absolutely. Even small conversations can build friendship.
I think friendly neighbors make a neighborhood feel safe and welcoming.
I agree completely.
Sometimes just smiling and saying hello can make someone's day better.
That's very true. Now it's your turn to practice. Repeat after us.
I live next door.
Did you move in recently?
How are you liking the area?
Do you know where the grocery store is?
You should join us sometime.
Feel free to ask if you need help.
Excellent job.
Keep practicing these sentences every day.
Today, we learned how to talk to neighbors in English.
Simple English you can use in real life every day.
Remember, you don't need difficult English to have a good conversation.
Just be polite, friendly, and confident.
Small conversations can help you build friendships and improve your English at the same time.
And don't forget to check the description for more practice sentences.
If this episode helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who are learning English too.
It can help them improve as well.
Thank you for learning with English Tour.
See you in the next episode. Bye.